Hi everyone! Today we are going to draw a lion. Don't worry, this drawing is easy and fun. Just follow me step by step and draw together with me. Start with the eye, draw a small shape like this. Add a tiny line inside for the pupil. Above the eye, draw a curved line for the top of the head and the nose. Now draw the nose. Make a small rounded triangle and color it black. From the nose, draw a short line down, then draw a soft curved line for the mouth. Add a little smile. Draw the chin and lower mouth with small curved lines. Make it look fluffy. Add the whiskers. Draw a few thin lines coming out from the nose. Start drawing the mane. Use long wavy lines going backward from the head. Continue the mane down. Draw more sharp and wavy lines to make it look hairy. Color some parts of the mane black. Do it at the bottom and between the hairlines to add depth. Now draw the ear on top of the head. Use a simple curved line. Now draw the lion's back. Start from the mane and draw a long, smooth line to the right. Let the line go down slowly. This will be the back and the tail. Continue drawing the tail. Make it long and curved like a soft wave. At the end of the tail, draw a small fluffy shape. This is the tail hair. Color the tip of the tail black. Make it dark and bold. Draw the tail line again to make it thicker. Go back to the body. From the mane, draw a straight line down. This is the front leg. Draw the second front leg next to it. Keep the line simple and smooth. Add a little fur near the leg. Use short, sharp lines to make it fluffy. Finish the front paws. Draw small rounded shapes at the bottom of the front legs. These are the lion's toes. Now draw the belly line. From the chest, draw a soft curved line to the back leg. Start the back leg, draw a long curved line going down from the body. Add the second line of the back leg. Make it thicker at the top and thinner at the bottom. Draw the back paw, use rounded shapes just like the front paws. Add the second back leg behind the first one. Keep the line simple and clean. Add a little foreline where the leg meets the body. Use short, sharp strokes. Darken some small parts near the leg and tail. This makes the lion look stronger. Look at your drawing and fix small lines if needed. Great job! Your lion drawing is finished. You can color your lion with markers or pencils. If you like this drawing, like the video and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye.